Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to save big on DoorDash. So as you can see guys, we have our DoorDash and you can see that the total is $0 because of the promo code guys. So there it is, $100. So I'm going to show you guys how to save money on DoorDash just like me. Alright, so what we need to do is go to this site. It's called ogsnags.com and they have all these like discount codes and stuff. It's super cool. So once you're on the site guys, just go to the search bar and type in DoorDash, and as you can see it says DoorDash promo code's $100 coupon. So go ahead and press show coupon code and just wait for it to load. So once it loads up guys, we're just going to go ahead and press get full code. So let's just do that and it's going to bring us over to this page. So as you can see it says get up to $500 on DoorDash. So we're just going to press continue. It's going to say how do you want it, so I'll just do gift card selection. And then it's going to ask for our email address. So let me just go ahead and type in my email right here. As you can see, all right, so then I'm just going to go ahead and press continue, and then we should be able to get our DoorDash code. So let me just fix my email right here. I don't want to show you guys my email for privacy reasons, but okay, so it worked. So now we got to register. This is pretty important guys. We just have to put in our information and we should be good to go. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. All right, I'm just gonna type this in. All right, let me just do this right here. As you can see, okay, let me just type this right here. All right, just filling this in. All right, bro. So anyway, then we press continue and then we are going to do a survey now. So here's the survey. It's very easy. It's just asking some questions. So I'm just going to answer these right here as you can see. All right. So let me just go ahead and do that. So it's pretty simple. So let me just do this right here as you can see. All right. Just answering all the questions and we should be done. So let's just do this right here. As you can see, all right. So yeah, it's pretty simple stuff. So I reached the end. So down here it says I agree and continue. So press these. And then after this, guys, we're going to be done. So as you can see, it says, do you want to get it emailed to you? You can just press no thanks because that's not the code. It's just the status. And so now we're going to see the final step and a completion message. So here it is. Preparing instructions on how to get up to $500 DoorDash. Choose deals that interest you the most. Make sure to read completion requirements for each deal. So you got to do one of these deals to get the DoorDash code. Now, they are all different, as you can see, but just do whichever one's free. Like this Monopoly Go one, I have to reach board level 10. So I just press continue, no, and it tells me how to do it. And then I press start deal, and it just brings me to the App Store. I download it, and I reach board level 18. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. Down here it says like complete one more deal, so just do this and you'll get the DoorDash code.